Papa.
Is this all the trick or treat candy, Booker? What's that one? Let me see.
Ball.
Ooh.
Ball.
Baseball cards? What else is here? Ooh, candy corns. And any chocolate? Oh, look at those nerds. Let's see, what else have you got? Junior mints. Daddy likes those. What's that?
Cane.
Ooh, chewy. Ooh, look at those. Look at those. What else is in your basket?
This one.
Ooh, what's in there?
Baby. What's the door?
Get out of your way. Let's see. What is in there? Whoa.
Chips.
Chocolate?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
chocolate.
Yes.
Did you get one like that already?
Yeah.
Where? Where's the other ones like that? Where are the other ones? You want to put them with these? Put your candies in their piles? Ooh. All right. All right, good stuff. Where are you going?
Garbage.
You're gonna throw it in the garbage? Thanks for throwing that wrapper in the garbage. Good job. Another one? Gonna throw it in the garbage? Whoa! Okay, you all right?
Right.
Good job.
This one.
Yeah, what's that one? Oh, I think that's bubble gum.
Gumbo. Gum. What?
Did you get any lollipops?
Ha.
Oh, lollipop. Whoa.
Oh.
What's in this bag? Oh,
Cookies.
a cookie. Wow.
Wow, what G ones?
What's that?
Ooh, lights. Right here. Got it. Ziggy, you. What?
Is there any more in here?
Bobs.
Ooh.
Yay.
You gonna go ahead and enjoy those?
Yes.
Okay. What do you want to eat first?
One, two, three.
That's right. 1, 2, 3. Good job.
One, right. One, three. The pizzas.
Oh, yummy, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Should we start eating? Yummy! Okay.